In the vast world of cryptocurrencies, one star shines brightest: Bitcoin. A digital asset that's seen more ups and downs than a roller coaster, yet remains a powerful tool to build wealth. How? Let's dive in. First, you purchase Bitcoin from a crypto exchange, hold on to it, wait for its value to rise, then sell it at a profit. Simple, right? But it requires patience and a keen eye on market trends. Second, Bitcoin mining. A complex process, but in essence, you're validating Bitcoin transactions and in return, you earn Bitcoin. Expensive and time-consuming, yet potentially rewarding. Third, Bitcoin payment for goods and services. More businesses are accepting Bitcoin. If you're a business owner, this could be a new revenue stream. Remember, with great reward comes great risk. So, always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin, a digital gold rush waiting to be explored.